What's up, guys? Guess where I am? And let me just show you around. Ooh, blurry. Oh well, it's blurry. That doesn't matter. I'm here in, ooh, really blurry. The countryside of Siem Reap. We're about, I'm here with Aaron in Cambodia. He's right there. And Po is right there. And we're starting a new English class on Sundays for an hour. And it's about 7 kilometers outside of Siem Reap, I believe. Yeah, about 7 kilometers. Yeah. So we are in the countryside. Wow. Pretty cool. I'll tell you how it goes. It's our first class. We're going to do it Sunday nights from 6 to 7. And 1 hour a day, once a week. We are looking for volunteers. If anybody wants to come out here for an additional day and volunteer an hour to teach, then that would be appreciated. We're trying to get at least two classes in a week. I'll do Sundays, and somebody else, if they want, can do like another night. But I have my other classes at night, so I can't, of course, come out here. But we're going to see how it goes. I got my whiteboard, got my markers, got the people, and we are all set. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right. We're done with the first class there. We had to set it up and everything. There was no whiteboard, so we had to find a place to put that. And there was a bit of confusion because some of the people, some of the students thought this was going to be at 6 in the morning instead of 6 at night. But that's okay. Still had a good class. And if you want to see it, see part of it, Aaron in Cambodia's channel is listed down below. He has a whole video up. He was videotaping a lot of the class. So go ahead and click on his channel and be sure to check out the video. It's now Monday night, and I'm on my way to my regular evening class. People who have been asking about my live streams, I did do 2 last week. They are up on my Facebook page. I can do them on Facebook on my mobile because it doesn't have the same restrictions as it does on YouTube. But I am going to do another YouTube live stream pretty soon. I'll announce it on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram. So be sure to check out those links and for the date and time. And hopefully the internet gods will be kind and allow me to do that without too much trouble or interruption. Fingers crossed. But yeah, feel free to jump on in if you do see it. Feel free to ask any questions you want. If you have any questions about living here, moving here, teaching here, retiring here, jump into the live stream and feel free to ask. And if I can, I will answer your questions. As you can probably tell, it's a little bit shaky. I forgot to bring my gimbal with me. The sad part is I had it set out, ready to grab it when I grab my backpack and all my supplies, and then I just forgot. Yeah, look at that gaggle of wires. You do see those everywhere around town. If you check your email, if you belong to my Patreon, or if you've donated earlier today, you should have received an email with links to a couple videos, one of them exclusive to you. But do let me know if you have any trouble accessing it or if you didn't receive it. And I'll be sure to find a way to get that out to you as soon as possible. We had that trouble with the books too, especially with Hotmail addresses. For some reason, I usually had to send them twice before people that have those email addresses were able to download the file. You know, technology is our friend, but it's not perfect, so there's no shame in just letting me know if you didn't receive it or something happened. It's okay. We'll figure it out. I have a big tent set up here right on the side of Highway 6. It means we have to walk in the middle of the highway here. Always, when there's an event, look at that. Wow. Always food and cooking. Oh, here we go. Here's a pizza delivery in Cambodia. Right on the motorbike in the back of a little box to keep it warm for you. See, even over here, people dress up their dogs in shirts. Yeah, we didn't want to see that puppy. These dogs have no shame. I have a feeling that back there was not a wedding, but a funeral. The reason I say that is because Sangalai is very superstitious, and she almost ran by the entire tent. One time, when I was working at the school, they had a funeral on a corner that we had to pass in order to get to the school. And she would actually go out of her way. She would walk down a little alley just to get as far away from not having to pass the tent as she could, just to avoid passing by where they were having the funeral. Very superstitious. Hello! He's hiding his face. There's Mark right up there. Don't let him fool you. Whoa! I almost got hit by a bike. Want to come teach? buddy. Oh, by the way, my last video about rabies, got a couple really great informational comments from different people. So if you want to know anything further than what I spoke about, feel free to check out the comment by Robert Williamson. He has a lot of great information. He has links to different sites. Hello. And he has, and like one other person said, just like Robert did, if you're worried about rabies, I guess you can get a series of shots before you come here, or before you go wherever it is you might be worried about getting rabies from. You can get the partial set, or all of them, I believe, ahead of time. But they are very expensive, at least back in the United States. Much more expensive, I believe, than $50 like they are here. But, like one person said, that's probably better, so you don't have to worry about it once you get to a foreign country. So, take that under advisement. I have very smart subscribers. They always give great information. So if I don't exactly tell you something about a subject, check my comments. Like I said, I don't know everything, but I try to give you the information I can based on what I know and what I've experienced. Still working on another project. It's actually some of it's already done. It's already online. It's already up. And I would leave it up to you to find it instead of just linking to it. Because where's the fun in that? I left a hint at the end of my last video. And it'll be fun for you guys to figure out where it's going as I upload videos when I can. If something fun has nothing to really, it has nothing to do with Cambodia, living here, or anything like that. Alright, I'm almost at the school now. There's a, see that inflatable thing right there? I think it's actually pretty huge. You can't see it, it doesn't look like it looking at it through the camera, but I think it's actually pretty big. But the alley that I have to go down to Teasing every night is so obscure. If it wasn't for that, I would probably pass it. Even though I should know it's right across from this gas station here. But sometimes, even when I'm not filming, I get lost in my head. I got my head down, I'm just thinking about things. And it would be very easy for me to just walk right on by. That's going to do it for this one. Short little update. Be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to buy any of my books, those links are down below. My t-shirt store is also listed along with my Patreon and my PayPal link if you want to help support free education in Cambodia. You'll get exclusive videos, pictures, updates, and other goodies to come if you do so. Also links to other channels in YouTube. Other channels on YouTube, I should say, that are filming in Cambodia. And all my social media, so you can keep track of when my live streams are going to be and all that fun stuff. Alright. That'll do it for this one. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.